Our new floor is complete, our countertops are in, and the kitchen is already looking a lot better. Now, the homeowners originally wanted to replace all of the appliances in their kitchen, but the budget was a little limited, so they decided to replace the one appliance that looked the worst and really didn't function very well, and that's the range hood. So Greg and I are in the process of about to install a brand new one here. Now, the first thing we've done is we've turned the power off, the electricity off to the unit. Now we'll actually take the unit down.
Hey, they use nails instead of screws.
Oh, this will be fun. The inside of this thing doesn't look any better than the outside, and removing these nails is a bit annoying, but on the positive side, there are only 3 nails and 1 screw holding the hood up, so it comes out fairly easily. The new hood is obviously a much sleeker unit and can be set up to exhaust the cooking fumes or filter and recirculate them. We've chosen the latter. As we raise the new hood into place, we feed the electrical wires through the top before we attach it to the top of the opening with wood screws. Inside the hood housing, we make all the electrical connections and we put this thing back together and then add the light bulbs.
Okay, there we go.
Great. Hey, that looks a lot better than the old antique hood we took out of there.